Welcome to the channel of Kanak Info Systems. So, today we are discuss about the Odoo 18 new features which are not available in earlier version. So, in e-commerce, we have the feature that we can hide or show the functionality. Means e-commerce functionality if the user haven't logged in. So, how can we do that? Let's see. Just go to the e-commerce, then configuration, then settings, and then just scroll down a little bit. Okay, here we can see the privacy section where we can find the e-commerce access. We have two options, all users and logged in users. If I select the all users means portal public and internal users means either they logged in or not, they can able to see the e-commerce means the shop page. But if I select the logged in users, that means they only the logged in users can able to see the shop page. Okay, then just save it and just go to here. We can see that I haven't logged in yet and you cannot see the shop page here. But if I go to the shop page manually by type shop, then it redirect me to the logged in page again. So that's how you can hide the e-commerce configuration. Thank you.